Let's talk about the rain out there. We are seeing some light showers heading over Paducah, western Kentucky, and Indiana. We are seeing some clouds starting out our day, and we'll notice a few more clouds as we head throughout the day with some sunshine, which will bump our temperatures up to the low to mid 90s. So we're going to stay mostly dry. Most of those showers will stay off to the west, but you could see an isolated sprinkle. By 9 o'clock this morning, we're going to be in the low to mid 80s, and then later in the afternoon, low to mid 90s. You'll see the clouds really stick with us throughout the whole day, but I think the sunniest time will be at 5 p.m. when we reach our peak heat at 94 degrees for a high temperature. But remember, with that humidity, it's probably going to feel like the mid to upper 90s. By 11 p.m., we'll see some scattered thunderstorms, maybe some light showers out there. We're not expecting it to be severe as we head overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. Just some overnight rain in that forecast. We're seeing some cloudy skies, but also creating some very vibrant colors with that humidity over the Ohio River this morning. Temperatures in Jefferson County, 77 in Linden, 76 in Fern Creek, mid to upper 70s. Not one single community cooled off to the 60s this morning. And this is going to be the trend as we head throughout Thursday, Friday especially. So throughout your day today, we're going to be cloudy with temperatures in the low to mid 90s and some peaks of sunshine. Past 9 p.m., that's when we'll see some more storms in that forecast overnight. But this is what it's going to feel like at 5 p.m. later this afternoon. 102 degrees potentially in Jasper, 102 in Bedford. So Indiana, where they're expecting to see the most sunshine, you're going to have a very warm setup today. Probably going to feel like the mid to upper 90s from Campbellsville down to Louisville, central Kentucky. The farther east in Kentucky you go, not going to be as bad. It's going to be bad enough to see a heat advisory for Thursday and Friday with the heat index values ranging up to 105. As we head throughout Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. So definitely going to need to beat the heat by Friday, a high of 99 degrees. I just increased that temperature because I think we're going to have barely any wind, a lot of humidity, and some sunshine. That's going to allow our temperatures to skyrocket, especially here in the metro. Now, if you live in the outskirt communities such as Campbellsville, you're probably not going to get to 99, probably going to stay around 98, but does that matter? We're still going to see heat index values up to 105 here across our state of Kentucky. So the warmest day of summer by far is this Friday. Saturday will still be in the upper 90s, but we'll see some scattered storms. And then Sunday and the start of next week will be in the low 90s. So thankfully backing off the heat a little bit here in Kentuckiana, but staying above average for the next 7+ days.